If you want to know how to achieve this beautiful burgundy baddie look and without glue, yes, you heard me, without glue, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be reviewing Ashimary hair, and I'm just showing you guys everything that they put in there for me. They put the cutest things in there. So that's why the box needed a elastic, because they put so much goodies in there. So shout out to them for that. And now I'm gonna show you guys the hair, which is what you're here for. And don't mind my lashes, people. I need to get them done. But yeah, so they have it in a protective mesh, and they also have styrofoam in it to make sure that the shape stays nice during shipping. So now I am just gonna show you guys inside. As you can see, it's definitely a frontal. I love the fact that the knots are really small. Inside there are two combs on the side, one at the bottom, and there is an adjustable band. And so I'm putting it on, okay, and I'm already in love with it because the color is just so beautiful, so nice and rich. And yeah, and what I'm happy about is that I don't need to pluck anything. The hairline is completely natural, so I really am happy about this. The only thing we need to work on is the lace. So what I'm gonna do to make it easier, I'm going to cut the lace a little bit, just so that when I do tint the lace to my skin color, I don't have to tint a whole bunch of lace. So I'm just taking my eyebrow scraper, and then I'm going to go in and cut the lace a little bit. And if you are a beginner, please take your time doing this. You don't want to cut yourself, and you don't want to cut too much of the lace. A good way to do this actually is to take it off your head and cut it that way, and just cut right in front of the hairline. You don't want to cut the hairline. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Alright, so when I'm done doing that, this is what I have. And again, it may look crazy because it's super white. I can tell this lace is not HD lace, but it's definitely good quality lace. So I'm going to tint it with my bronzer and my flat brush. And this is how I did it. I'll just put it all over there. And when I put it back on, you're gonna see the difference, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. So this is a before and after. You can definitely see the difference. It's so important to make sure that you match the lace to your skin tone. So I'm planning on doing this completely glueless, because more and more I'm getting comments about I don't know how to glue my lace and stuff. So I'm gonna be making more glueless tutorials for you guys. Don't mind me watching my show. But yeah, so, and I know it's not easy making a frontal glueless, but we're gonna make it work. So now I'm just trying to see how I'm gonna style it. I look at middle part, I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna do a side part. Counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose So side part is definitely the way to go. Alright, so it's time to camouflage the lace, okay? So you see how we're doing this glueless, so the lace is kind of popping up. We're gonna do a little bit of baby hair in order for that to go away. So as you saw, I sectioned a little part of the hair and then I just kind of like put it down like that, and it's such a big difference. It's so nice, and you can't see the lace on this side. So this is how I do it to conceal and to wear a frontal completely glueless. And now I'm gonna take a section of this and then I'm gonna do the same thing to that side. And look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And what you can also do is, since it's glueless, you can add a little bit more of the bronzer to the lace. So now I'm taking my serum and I'm putting it all over the top because I'm about to add hot comb on it, so it could be nice and flat. And this is a heat protectant serum because you don't want to ruin the hair, you guys. Make sure you always put heat protectant on the hair before you add heat to it.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't...
Alright, so now that I'm done doing that, I'm gonna add a hot comb to the hair.
That I don't tell anyone.
But right before that, I'm showing you guys that you can wear it without the hot comb. You don't have to put the hot comb on there. Like, it still looks amazing without it. But anyways, I'm gonna put the hot comb just because I like a little bit of a flatter look. But if you like a little bit of a, volume, then you can leave it just like this. So I'm putting it on there and I'm making sure that I'm only putting the heat where I added the heat protectant. You're trying to protect the hair. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is absolutely beautiful. I feel like a redhead vixen. Like, this is so nice. And again, you can kind of see the lace, but you can always add a little bit more bronzer to it. You can add baby hairs. Like, you can adjust the baby hairs. As you can see, for me, I just need to adjust the baby hairs in the front, which I'm about to do right now. And look at that. Like, all I did was add the hair in the front and it's amazing. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.